Okay, here's video number 2. You can hear the wind. You can see that, it's blowing at me. Okay, you can see that the snow has picked up quite a bit. It's a lot thicker. Visibility is definitely reduced. It's a bit colder. And you can see that the snowdrifts have gotten a little higher. I'm a little sad, disappointed that I'm not hearing the snow thunder that I've been reading so much about online. But hopefully we'll get some of it so I can experience the eeriness and the creepiness that supposedly comes with such an experience. So this is about 9:40 p.m. on February 1st of 2011, Chicago's snowpocalypse blizzard.